We can still see prominently the various issues of the country that should have been over after the 1986 People Power Revolution. Poverty, government corruption, crimes, and the drug issue can still be seen.
Nandyan pa rin po, laganap pa rin po yung kagutuman, paghihirap ng mga taong bayan. Nandyan po, laganap pa rin ho ang korupsyon. Mga krimen, mga problema natin sa droga.
According to some personalities who were part of the historical movement, little has changed since then.
Sa palagay ko, walang naging reforma eh. Ang naging transformation natin ay lalo tayong nabaon. Lalo tayong nabaon sa kahirapan at ang may kasalanan ay ang ating mga politiko, ang ating political dynasties.
Gil Yuson, columnist of the Philippine Daily Inquirer, added, people power is a thing that has been started but has not continued to progress.
I think at this time, EDSA was the spark which did not really catch fire long term. And today, there are more things that divide us than those things that unite us.
According to retired Philippine Marine Colonel Ariel Querubin, the people power lose because the unity of Filipinos was lost, which is the cause of today's pressing issues.
Hindi po tayo nagkaisa. Hindi ho tayo, na-miss ho natin yung opportunity ng ating sinasabing EDSA People Power Revolution, no? Sayang kasi ang ganda-ganda ho sana na kung nagkaisa ho tayo para buksan lahat itong mga nagbibigay sa atin ng paghihirap ngayon.
Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.